Namaste, folks. Situation 1. You are ready to publish your book, but the book cover is still pending. Situation 2. You found an artist and you've been giving inputs back and forth, and you're just not happy with the book cover yet. Situation 3. It's a lockdown period and you're just not able to find an artist who can make a book cover for you. Situation 4. You're not technically sound, nor you've never done a drawing before, and you're not technically sound with computers, how to do a digital image. If your answer is yes to any of these questions or to all the questions, don't worry. This video is here to help you do an immaculate and a beautiful book cover for your book. What more, it's going to be as unique as your fingerprint and created just by you. Let's go make a book cover. Welcome, folks, to another fabulous day. Today we are going to look at tutorials on how to create a book cover. One of the biggest challenges an author faces is creation of a book cover, and it turns out to be expensive all the time. I'm going to give you easy, simple steps how to make a book cover at no cost. Welcome to CANVA. CANVA is CANVA, Charlie Alpha November Victor Alpha.com. Let's start making a book cover. In fact, this particular canva.com is something which I use very often to create my book covers, publish my books across the globe. They also have book cover, YouTube, thumbnails, video, logo, poster, and a lot of it. Okay, I'm going to quickly take you through to show you some basics of how to do it, so you get an understanding of what you could do and how you could do. Step 1. Click on the icon which says book cover. Here we are. Once you're done that, you have a lot of options. You can use your templates. There are a lot of free templates available, lots of them. You can use a lot of your free templates based on different categories. If it's going to be a children's book, if it's going to be a vintage cover, art book, they have numerous categories, I would say. And even if you would like to pick photographs as from their templates, you get a lot to use. Yeah, and they have their elements, text. If you want to use any specific background, they have a lot of backgrounds too. They have a lot of options in simple. You could also use your own image, whichever you want. You could probably pick and choose an image or a photograph which you have taken. In today's case, it is always easy to take one of their templates and use it. Yeah. So we would do slightly more challenging. We'll go to the next step and we'll pick something from our own picture. So for that, I would choose from a random picture from my computer. Let's take this. Done. There it goes. We are ready with it. The image is completely available for us to use. So let's go ahead and make our book cover. Okay. Let me take you through some simple steps that you could use, okay, to make an exciting looking book cover. Okay, this is me jumping by the ocean. Okay, let's say we will expand it a little more. Okay, righto. I think the image looks quite okay now. Let's give it a title. So we should go to text and look at, there's a lot of options for you to choose. Yeah, you could see a lot of options out here in the text. Yep. Possibly I'll use font combinations. Yeah. Possibly I'll use something which I used recently for one of my books. Okay, let's use Parmesan cheese next. Okay, typically this image looks as if I have got blown away in the wind, but let's not scare our readers by writing something like that. And so we will, let's say, Flying High. That's the name of the book, right? Okay, let's say Flying High, and probably we'll just pull it left or right to expand it, to make it bigger. Here there's a placeholder which you can hold and move it up, right, center, wherever you want. You could change your colors. Here you have a color bar where you can change your colors. A lot of color options for you to use. You want a red, you can end up using a red option. Yep, it's now red in color, as you can see. So the color bar helps you, or the palette helps you to pick up whatever color you want to put in. So we can also write whatever we want out here. At the same time, as of now, let me have it blank. Or let's say, okay, I will take you to the next level to teach you something in this. Now let's add, say for example, we'll go to text, we'll add the name of the author. Say, I will use this particular font. Here she comes. Okay. Let's use this font. Let's say I would like to use this font for the name, and you have a lot of options out here for reducing your font size or increasing your font size. Okay, so we could choose an 80 probably, yeah. Okay, here we go, and yes, possibly we will choose another color, probably from the palette. White. Okay, we got the name of the book right here, and we have got the author's name. So let's take it to the next level. Probably we'll add some elements. Okay, here we go with the elements. Say for example, we want to put a book in one hand. Let's pick this book. Click on it. Move the book. One hand. Okay, and we could play around, do a lot of things out here on this. Okay. And we're going to publish this Flying High across the globe. So we could pull this from here and say, hey, I'm going to publish this book across the globe. Yeah. And we would also say Flying High, and you want to, I'm sure you're getting the direction of what I'm trying to show you, and it's very easy and simple. Flying High, and you want to add something like there's a search option over there, and just enter it. Okay, and we can pick and choose whatever is pro, you have to pay for it. Whatever is free, it clearly says free. So we could probably pick and choose this free image and say we want it somewhere here. Okay, what happens if you want to tilt this image? You have the option of tilting this image out here. Okay. You can turn this around any direction you want. Okay, so those options are clearly available in this. It's very simple and it's easy to, most important, it's very easy to use. You don't have to be very technically very sound with image creation, things like that. It makes life easy for people who are not used to, drawing digitally. Here we go. So it's flying high. Let's see the full size of the image. Okay. Yeah, the aircraft looks as if it's going to crash. We can use another option of aircrafts out there. But I think for a quick understanding for a start, there's quite a decent image. We have created a pretty intriguing book cover. And since you're going to publish across the globe, I would suggest please go ahead and take and explore all the options available in CANVA. They have so much of interesting options that would excite you to create and eye-knock your readers. If you would like to know how to publish your book worldwide at zero cost, click the link below and learn step by step and publish your books across the globe effortlessly. If you have any questions or suggestions, email me or mention in the comments below. It will help me to create videos which would solve common issues if there is any. Remember to click the download option which is on the top right hand side and download the image whichever you have created in many formats including JPEG and PNG too. Allow me to share few of my creations. Welcome to the amazing True North. These are interesting self-help books in a story format. These stories can work on a subconscious and a preconscious level to improve positivity and courage. This is unique because there is an option of an embellishment which comes out of the story and enters into the reader's life. This element can be used to instill good habits and eliminate the bad effortlessly. The stories are intriguing and short, so it is easy to consume. It is specially for your children and for the child in you. You will find the link below to acquire the same. Utilize this opportunity. Become your child's best friend from now and for life. Thank you.